Hello. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Futuristic Autos, where we bring you the latest updates from the world of luxury and performance vehicles. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of the 2025 Lamborghini Aventador, a car that redefines the boundaries of speed, design, and innovation. If you thought Lamborghini had reached the pinnacle with their previous models, think again. The 2025 Aventador is here to set new benchmarks, and we can't wait to share all the details with you. Let's start with the heart of the Aventador, the engine. This beast is powered by a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine that roars with a staggering 780 horsepower and 720 Nm of torque. With a top speed of 220 miles per hour and the ability to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds, it's not just a car, it's an adrenaline-packed rocket on wheels. Lamborghini has paired this monstrous engine with an advanced 7-speed ISR transmission, ensuring lightning-fast gear shifts that keep the power flowing seamlessly to all four wheels. The design of the 2025 Aventador is an evolution of Lamborghini's iconic sharp and aggressive styling. Every line, curve, and angle of the car serves both form and function. The aerodynamics have been fine-tuned to enhance downforce and reduce drag, making it one of the most stable and efficient Aventadors ever built. The front end features a redesigned splitter and air intakes, while the rear showcases a dynamic spoiler that adjusts automatically based on speed and driving mode. The lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis further enhances its agility and performance, while also contributing to its stunning visual appeal. Inside, the Aventador offers a cabin that is as futuristic as it is luxurious. High-quality materials like Alcantara, leather, and carbon fiber dominate the interior. The customizable digital instrument cluster provides all essential information at a glance, while the 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system comes equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an upgraded navigation system. The seats are ergonomically designed to offer maximum comfort even during high-speed drives, and the attention to detail is simply unmatched. Safety and technology in the 2025 Aventador are also top-notch. Lamborghini has equipped the car with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision warning. The vehicle also features active suspension and dynamic steering, which adapt to your driving style and road conditions for a smoother and safer experience. The all-wheel drive system has been enhanced to provide better grip and stability, ensuring you remain in control even at high speeds. Another highlight of the 2025 Aventador is its hybrid technology. Yes, Lamborghini has embraced electrification without Commonwealth heritage. The Aventador now includes a small electric motor that enhances performance and efficiency, especially during urban drives. The supercapacitor-based system provides instant power boosts and supports regenerative braking, making the car both eco-friendly and incredibly responsive. When it comes to customization, Lamborghini offers endless possibilities. From bespoke paint finishes and wheel designs to personalized interiors, you can make your Aventador truly one of a kind. Whether you prefer a stealthy matte black finish or a bold neon green, Lamborghini's Ad Personam program ensures your car reflects your personality. Priced at around $600,000, the 2025 Lamborghini Aventador is a dream car for enthusiasts who demand the ultimate in performance, luxury, and exclusivity. It's not just a vehicle. It's a statement, a masterpiece that embodies Lamborghini's relentless pursuit of perfection. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to Futuristic Autos for more updates on the latest and greatest in the automotive world. See you next time.